This is Aveo Systems Mira Connect touchscreen UI, and we're showing you the Mira Connect 10 touchscreen, as well as other devices. This UI is available on the Poly touch control from this swipe over and selecting the AV control, as well as on devices like the MAXHUB team system, which is accessible through the room controls button. We select room control, and we can see the interface here as well. We're also showing some other interfaces. We've written a plugin for the Elgato Stream Deck, which allows us to add buttons as well as knob controls that control conference room functions through the Mira Connect software. We've also got configurations for keypads like the KeyDigital keypad that can control the same types of functions, such as source selection and muting and unmuting. And we're also showing Zoom Room JSON room controls for the Zoom Room controller.